children, welcome to class 6. Subject Sanskrit. Today we are going to start lesson number 1, Chitrapadani 1. In lesson number 1, there are 4 Chitrapadani, but we will start with Chitrapadani 1. One by one we will discuss about 2, 3 and 4. Now what is the meaning of Chitrapadani? Here Chitra means pictures and Padani means words. Chitrapadani means words through pictures. In your textbook there are some pictures given and then Sanskrit words. Pictures with words are given in your textbook in Chitrapadani 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. You have to understand the Sanskrit meaning of the pictures. Okay. First of all, let's learn from the textbook. Chitrapadani 1. You can see there are some pictures in your textbook and the Sanskrit words for the pictures. Okay. First of all, I will read all the words. You have to listen properly. Okay. First picture. Vrishabha. Look at carefully and pronounce it properly. Okay. Vrishabha. Here you can see the 2 dots. It is called Visarg. The 2 dots is called Visarg. And it is pronounced as Ha. Vrishabha. Second, Vrishabha means bullock. Gardabha. Gardabha means donkey. Next, Meshaha. These 2 dots is called Visarg and it is pronounced as Ha. Meshaha. Meshaha means ship. Nakulaha. Nakulaha. Nakulaha means mongoose. Next, Mayuraha. Mayuraha means peacock. Next, Kakaha. Kakaha means crow. Next, Talaha. Talaha means lock. Next, Deepaha. Deepaha means lamp. Next, Ghataha. Ghataha means pot. Okay, next, Sarpaha. Sarpaha means snake. Makaraha. Makaraha means crocodile. Mandukaha. Mandukaha. This sign after Ma is pronounced as Na. Mandukaha means frog. Mandukaha means frog. Okay. Now all these words ends with Visarg, 2 dots and the vowel A. Vrishabha. Last vowel. Which is the last vowel? Vrishabha. a. Means this word ends with the vowel a. Means these words are said akarant, and when the words end with visarg and the last vowel a, they are called masculine words. They are called masculine gender. Okay. Okay, children. Now look at here on the board. The first word Vrishabha, Gardabha, Meshaha. You can see all the words ending with these two dots. Right? Two dots. They are called Visarg. Two dots means it is the sign of Visarg. In Sanskrit, these two dots is called Visarg. Okay. Now Vrushab, Bha. Which is the last vowel? A. Vrushabha. The last vowel is A. So this is ending with a vowel. You can see here ending in a. All these words ending in a. Again I repeat, all these words ending in a. And there is visarg at the end. So these words, these type of words are called masculine gender. Masculine words. Right? Okay. Again I will read all the words and you have to repeat after me. Okay? Let's start from the first. Vrishabha. Vrishabha. You have to repeat after me, okay? Gardabha. Gardabha means donkey. Meshaha. Meshaha means sheep. Nakulaha. Nakulaha means mongoose. Mayuraha. Mayuraha means peacock. Kakaha. Kakaha means crow. This visarg is pronounced as ha because the last vowel is a. Bha. Which is the last vowel? A. Here. Bha plus a is equal to bha. Right? यहाँ पे मैंने जो भ लिखा है वो हलंत है. It is a half letter. It is not a complete letter. When we will add a in this letter, it becomes the whole letter. It becomes a complete letter. So this b ends with a. Okay. So here visarg is pronounced as ha. Okay. Now next 7th number. Talaha. Talaha means lock. Deepaha. Deepaha means lamp. Ghataha. Ghataha means pot. Sarpaha. Sarpaha means snake. Makaraha. Makaraha means crocodile. Mandukaha. Mandukaha means frog. Again I will repeat, all these words are the masculine words. When the words ends with visarg and ends with vowel a. When the words ends with visarg and ending in a, it is called masculine word. Okay, you understand this thing? Remember it. Okay. Now you have to write all the words in your notebook and read them properly with proper pronunciation. Okay. We will continue with Chitra Padani 2 in the next session. Thank you.